staying slim and healthy. According to the Western health expert, one should consider three important elements in the struggle to lose weight. Here is what you should know. Diet makes up 80 to 90% of the achievement. Workout can significantly boost the effects. The workout must include cardio, weights, and flexibility for optimal weight loss. To remain in a good health and fit, you should consume a healthy diet, be physically active, and drink plenty of water. However, every culture has its own rules when it comes to health and weight loss. But every culture implements different rules. We give you the top 4 Japanese rules to protect your health. According to the WHO, the Japanese have the longest lifespan in the world, so we find their methods and remedies a bit strange, but apparently extremely effective. While all Western cultures believe that weight gain and weight loss are primarily linked to calories, the Japanese have a rather different attitude. These are their secrets when it comes to health and weight loss. Warmth is the most important. The food we consume is turned into energy. During the summer, fruits and vegetables cool the body and ease the adjustment of the body to the high temperatures. On the other hand, the food we consume in the winter is higher in calories, as the body needs to warm up in the cold weather. Raw foods are beneficial, but you should also try to consume warmer foods more often. Meals. Japanese believe that liquids negatively affect digestion, so they do not drink anything while eating. Liquids cool the system and absorb its warmth. Also, water neutralizes the stomach acid, so the system will need to spend additional energy to digest foods. The best sources of liquids are soups, fruits, and vegetables. If you eat like a sumo wrestler, you will look like one. Sumo wrestlers eat nothing for breakfast, and as soon as they get up, they start off with an intense training. Then, they eat a super rich lunch and take a nap afterward. They have only 2 meals daily, but they are huge. Therefore, even though you exercise regularly, if you eat too much, you will gain weight. It is a fact that junk food and large meals are more powerful than exercising. Therefore, your diet should be balanced. And you should also sleep well and be physically active. Hot baths prolong life. Hot baths relax the body, reduce stress, and stimulate circulation. According to the Japanese, they also help digestion, prolong life, and improve skin complexion. Experts believe that the perfect temperature is 100 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit.